Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my guitar tutorial. In this one I will be showing you how I play one of the most wholesome songs ever by one of the most wholesome groups ever, The Seekers. I'll Never Find Another You. The key of the song is B flat major, but I will be playing it no capo in A major. The examples will be played with the original recording with a capo at fret 1 in B flat major. So let's roll the tape. First, we'll learn the 12-string intro, but we'll play it on the acoustic guitar. This can be played the same way on both guitars, and the intro sounds like this. We play that by going to the A string open, fret 4, the D string 2, open, back to the A string 4, 2, and then the open E string. We'll lead back into it with the open E string twice, 2, 4. So that's the A string, open, 4, D string 2, open, A string 4, 2, E string open, 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 2, 4. Here we go. Now it's time to play the chords. Most of the chords are conventional, but there are a few out-of-the-box chords. And those chords will be a B7, and this is an easy B7. We're holding the A string at the 2nd fret down, the D string at the 1st fret, and the G string at the 2nd fret, and we're not playing the high E string with that. We're going to play, and what I do to mute the high E string is put my finger down here when I strum on that E string like that. We'll move that to a C#7 by just raising that like that, but we want to reconfigure the fingers to this. For my C#7, I've got a finger on the A string fret 4, the D string fret 3, the G string fret 4, and the B string fret 2. And I'm not strumming that high E string on that one either. I'm going to strum like that. And so when I've got my finger down here at the sound hole, so my finger is on that high E string to mute it. We don't want this. We want this. We'll also need an F# minor 7 or F# minor. In the example, I'm playing an F# minor 7 like this. For that one, I'm borrowing from the D string down at fret 2, and I've got my thumb on top of an F# here on the low E string, and I'm muting the A string. You can also use an F minor 7 just like this. That's strumming from the D string down at fret 2. Or you can place a finger on the D string, fret 4, and use that. That's an F sharp minor. Now the rest of the chords are pretty easy, so let's get started with the song. The chords for the intro will be an A chord, a D chord, and an E chord. So we're strumming them this way. And that was down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Pretty much throughout the song, this strumming pattern will work. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And sometimes we'll do 2 beats on a chord and we'll just go down, down, like that. Here's the verse chords. A, D, B7, E, A, C sharp 7, D, E. So once again, that's for the chorus, we'll go to our F sharp minor or F sharp minor 7, D, E, D, A, D, A, F sharp minor 7, D, E, A, D, E. Again, that was Now at the end of that chorus, we played A, D, E. Just like we did in the beginning of the song. But before we go into the bridge, we'll need to play that this way. A, D, A. So you might have guessed, next is the bridge. For the bridge, when we come out of the chorus, as we said before, it's A, D, A, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A, F sharp minor 7, E, D, A, D, E. Then we'll go back into the next verse. One more thing. There's a 12-string guitar solo that we're going to learn on this guitar, and you can play it on 12-string the same exact way. Here's the solo. In order to play that, we're going to start with the A string, open, 2, 4, 4, D string, 2, open, A string, 4, 2, low E string, 2, back to A string, 2, open, low E string, 4. So that was For the next part, we'll go to the open A string, 2, 4, the D string, 2, 3 times, 4, 2, 4 on the A string, back to 2 on the D string, 4 on the D string twice, 2, open, 2, 4, 2. So that was and that's our solo. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play I'll Never Find Another You by the Seekers on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.